Today, smartphones, computers, laptops, and other electronic devices have become an integral part of our life. We frequently use these devices in our daily life to perform various tasks such as making calls, watching movies, listening to music, storing data and information, doing official work, and so on. These activities can be smoothly done only if we have a good smartphone or a PC with sufficient storage capacity and speedy performance. These days, data and information has become valuable assets, whether it be files, documents, or even our own personal information. We obviously need some space to store them. But you might have faced a problem of less storage or lagging problem in your smartphones or PCs. Or sometimes your valuable data gets corrupted due to hardware failure. Or even you might have lost your confidential data and information due to insecurity or lack of maintenance. These are some of the problems you may often face when you store your data and information on your smartphones, computers, or laptops. To overcome these types of problems, the concept of cloud computing has been introduced to our world. In cloud computing, the term cloud refers to remote computers or servers, where you can store data and information. So cloud computing is an emerging computing system in which different services like data storage, servers, databases, networking, and software are provided to you through the internet. All of your data and information are stored on the cloud or remote servers with high security, and you can get access to them at any instant of time through the internet. And you can use these services as per your need to solve various problems. You can use them to enhance the problem of insufficient storage, low security, lack of maintenance, slow device performance, and so on. These days, there are many cloud service providers. Some are Google Cloud, Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, IBM Cloud, Alibaba Cloud, etc. Based on the type of services you require, cloud computing is categorized into three types. They are Infrastructure as a Service (IaaS), Platform as a Service (PaaS), and Software as a Service (SaaS). First of all, let's talk about Infrastructure as a Service. In this type of cloud computing, basic computing infrastructure services like virtualization, servers, storage, and networking will be provided to you by service providers, and the rest of the things you have to manage on your own. Infrastructure as a service is mostly used by IT administrators. IBM Cloud and Microsoft Azure are examples of IaaS. Next, we have Platform as a Service, in which the cloud platform is provided for developing, testing, and managing applications with some extra features like runtime, middleware, and operating system. PaaS is commonly used by software developers, and its common examples include Salesforce.com and Heroku. Finally, we have Software as a Service, in which cloud providers manage the software applications on a pay-as-you-go pricing model. In SaaS, mostly everything is managed by a service provider. SaaS is mostly used by end user, and Microsoft Office 365 is one example of it. There are lots of benefits of cloud computing. For example, if you have a problem with the storage capacity, then you need to buy a memory chip or hard disk to solve this problem. But the alternative way of doing so is the use of cloud computing. Yes, you can use the data storage service to solve this problem very easily. It will not only help you increase your storage capacity, but it will save your money as well. Because in the case of cloud computing, you don't need to buy any memory chip or hard disk. To understand this more clearly, let's say you are an official person and you have stored all of your data and information in your local computer, which is at your home. Now you are in the office or somewhere else, and at the same time a situation arises in which you immediately need to access your data, which is stored in the local computer. Then at that time you will have no option except you go home and get access to that file. But if you use cloud computing, then you don't need to worry about it, because you can get access to your data and information through the internet anytime and anywhere in the world. Besides cost saving and instantaneous access to your data, there are other benefits such as speed and efficiency, increased productivity, better performance, high security, data and workload mobility, business continuity, disaster recovery, and many more. Since cloud computing is based on digitization, so there are some challenges too. There are cloud security, lack of expertise, cloud migration, building a private cloud, and so on. But with the advancement of technology, these challenges will be easily solved in the future. And cloud computing can be widely used in several fields such as education, business, e-commerce, and so on. Cloud computing has various applications such as online data storage, backup and recovery, big data analysis, testing and development, and so on. It has great use in e-learning. Resources can be easily made available to students and learners with the help of cloud computing. So we can say here, cloud computing is going to have exponential growth in the near future. That's all for today. Hope you have got idea of cloud computing from this video.